Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to remove the video background on CapCut for PC. So to do that, you can just click on the clips that you add on the CapCut for PC, and then here at this setting, you just need to go to video and go to cutout here, and here there's an option to auto cutout, so this will allow you to remove the background of your video. So just click on this checkbox to turn this on, and then the auto cutout will be done like this. I think it's pretty neat, and that's basically how you can remove the video background of your video in CapCut for PC. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next following videos. Bye!